Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, stability control, sports suspension, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.